Hi everyone, this is lesson 19 practice set. If you notice in the note in our math journal, we don't have an official place for you to work on the practice set. So what I would like you to do is just do it on the side and we will work on this together, okay? I'm going to scroll down to the lesson practice and we'll begin. Let's increase this to 150 and here we go. Let me pull this over and I'm going to put me over here. There we go. Okay, if it's morning, what time is it shown in each clock? In this clock, we are seeing that it's not quite 9 and it's moving towards the 9, so that tells us that it is 8:30, and because we know that it's morning, please make sure to write AM. In this situation, our little hand is pointing at the 7, not quite the 8, and we know that each one of these marks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one is a minute. So this is 10, 11, 12. So it would be 7, 12 a.m. And finally, it's pointing towards the 11. It's not quite 11 o'clock. It's deceptive. So we know that this is going to be 10. And we know that this is 40. So 10:40 a.m. Use digital form to show what time it is at 10 minutes to 9 in the evening. So because it's not quite 9 o'clock, that shows us that it is 8 and it's 10 minutes before 9 o'clock. It'll be 8:50 p.m. I want to see if you can do this as fast as me. We're gonna race. How many hours equal a whole day? 24 hours. Next one, how many minutes equal an hour? Please write this on your journal with me. How many seconds equal a minute? Latoya's school day begins at the time shown on the left and ends at the time shown on the right. How long is the school day at Latoya's school? You may use your student clocks to solve. Goodness gracious, guys, this has got so many parts to it. So we need to know that Latoya starts at 8:10, and it looks like she ends the school day, it's more 3, it's not quite 3:30, so 3:25. So if we went from 8 to 3, we know that that is going to be 8 to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hours. And then let's count. We have this much is 50 minutes plus 25 minutes. And it is going to be, let's see, I'm going to erase this part because that is not right. 7 hours and 15 minutes. So there we go. Hey, good luck on the math. If you have anything else, please feel free to ask, and have a great day, my friends.